Hi guys, in today's video we will be learning how to use the free drawing skirting function. Alright, so let's get started. Firstly, come to your customization function and then click on your kitchen cabinet since we are drawing inside the kitchen. Alright, so when you're in it already, come on top here, select skirting and then click on free drawing skirting line. Make sure you move it to your room. Right, so there are two ways of doing it. So I'll be showing you the first way first. So click on free drawing. Alright, so just draw according to your cabinet where you would like to add your skirting. Right, and of course, once you're done, generate your skirting. Right over here, you may select your sections and also your materials. Right, so if let's say I would pick this. Okay, and then I just select and click on confirm. And there you have it, your skirting is created. Alright, I'll show you another way. Let me delete this first. So same thing, come back to your skirting and click on your free drawing skirting line. Right, so right now I'll be using the choose to draw function. Okay, just click on choose to draw and then select the cabinets that you would like to add your skirting on. Alright, so once you're done, okay, of course you can change your elevation, you can drag it if you need to. Alright, drag it if you need to. Once you're done, generate your skirting. Okay, change your material if you need to, and then click on confirm. And there you have it, your skirting is completed. Alright, happy trying guys.